What if I told you that your fear of public speaking has nothing to do with the audience? It's not their judgment. It's not the microphone. It's not even the stage lights. It's the movie playing inside your head, the voices that are whispering in your mind, and the sensations in your body that follow. And the best part, all of that can be changed quickly and powerfully through NLP and hypnosis. And that's exactly what we're here to discuss in today's Mindful Monday. Now, if it's your first time joining us, feel free to type in the comments or message me where you're coming from. Any questions or comments, you can place them there or message me as well. And also any topics you'd like to hear more about in the future. We love to hear suggestions. Also, make sure you stay until the end of the video to find out how you can receive some free gifts, including a hypnotic recording I created on releasing limiting beliefs, as well as our weekly PDF cheat sheets. Now, let's get back to our topic for today. Fear of public speaking is one of the most common fears out there. It's one of the most common fears on the planet. Some people, they say that they'd actually rather face death than deliver a speech or speak publicly. But the truth of the matter is, it's not the speaking itself that creates fear. It's the way that your brain has coded the experience. Now, here's how it works. So step one, there's this internal picture. Your mind, it creates a mental image, if you will, of yourself speaking. And often this image is huge, it's close, it's right there, it's overwhelming. Maybe you see yourself frozen or forgetting your words, whatever it might be for you, right? And then step number two is this internal dialogue. So a voice comes in. What if I mess up? What if they judge me? What if I fail? What if, right? That inner critic becomes louder than the sound of your own real voice. And then step number three is your body response. So your body reacts to those pictures and sounds with basically fight or flight, tight chest, racing heart, sweaty palms, the whole 9 yards, right? The good news, so these three elements, images, sounds, feelings, they're just codes, and codes can be rewritten. NLP calls these codes submodalities. They're the qualities of your internal experience, if you will. So for example, is the picture in color or is it in black and white? Is it close up or is it far away? Is that voice, that inner critic, loud or soft? And does the feeling in the body move upward or downward? And when you change submodalities, you change the meaning that they give. So think about it. If you shrink down that scary image and push it far off into the distance, far away, make it black and white, even add circus music to it, suddenly it loses its power. It becomes kind of silly, actually. So that's NLP, or Neuro-Linguistic Programming, in action. Now, when we add hypnosis in, we don't just change the movie once. We install the new code into your subconscious so it runs automatically. And our first technique for today is going to be the NLP reframe of this inner movie. So let's do this together. So close your eyes for a moment if you're in a safe place to do so, of course. If not, please come back and watch this when you are in a safe place to do so. Now, with your eyes closed, imagine yourself about to give a talk, a speech, presentation, whatever it might be. And notice the picture in your mind. Is it right there in front of you? Is it big? Does it feel threatening? Just notice. And now change that. Maybe push the picture farther away. You can shrink it down to a little tiny square. You can turn it into a black and white kind of photo far off in the distance. And now add something really silly. Maybe the audience that's there in front of you is clapping wildly before you even begin. Or all of them are wearing neon sunglasses from the 80s. Whatever it is for you, just make it something silly. And notice how the feeling shifts. Fear begins to dissolve. Your mind realizes this isn't danger, this is play. And now allow your eyes to open back up if you close them. And let's talk about another NLP tool. It's called anchoring. Now, an anchor is simply a trigger, a physical trigger that locks in a desired state. Just like a song can instantly bring back a memory, we can deliberately create an anchor to fire for confidence, for calm, or for power whenever we need this. So this is another NLP technique, and the process is quite simple. So the first thing you want to do is recall a powerful resource state. And then number two is you want to intensify that feeling, really make it to its max. And then number 3 is you want to link it to a physical gesture, like touching your thumb to your middle finger. And then you want to repeat until the anchor is very strong. And then when you face this challenge, like speaking in public, you fire your anchor and step instantly into that state of calm or confidence or power, or whatever it is you anchored, right? So let's try this one out, okay? Now, if you're in a safe place, again, allow your eyes to close back down. I'd like you to think of a time when you felt completely confident, unstoppable, in flow. Maybe it was during a conversation, a performance, a personal victory, whatever it is for you. Just notice that moment. And now step into that moment in the here and now. See what you saw, hear what you heard. Feel the power building up inside your body. That's right. Build it up from a 6 to a 7, a 7 to an 8, an 8 to a 9, and 9 to a 10, all the way up. And as it peaks, press your thumb and your middle finger together. You can name this feeling as confidence or whatever it is to you. Hold this anchor, and then you can release it if you like. And then we'll take a big breath in, fire the anchor. And as you exhale, you can think or say your word, power, confidence, whatever it is. We'll do it one more time. Middle finger to thumb, big breath in. Exhale and think or say your word or phrase, confidence, power, whatever it was, calm. Good, good, good. This is training your subconscious mind that this gesture equals confidence, calm, or whatever it is you want. Now allow your eyes to open up. Good. Now let's put it all together in a deeper hypnotic process. So take a nice slow full breath in, exhale, and allow your eyes to close back down. Good. And with each breath, imagine your body settling, your mind becoming clearer and clearer, your focus turning inward. And in this relaxed state, imagine yourself standing backstage before an audience. The old nerves, they try to rise up, and that's okay. You can just notice them like clouds drifting by in the sky. They're temporary, they don't define you. And then go ahead and press your thumb and your middle finger together. You can inhale in, exhale, think or say calm, confidence, your word. And instantly that wave of calm confidence rises back up, and you can feel it spreading from your chest, through your shoulders, into every nerve and cell and tissue fiber of your body. That's it. And then step forward onto the stage or to the podium in your mind and see the audience out there, but notice something different. They're smiling, supportive, eager to hear what you have to say. And hear your own voice as you begin to speak. Clear, steady, strong, every word flows naturally. You feel calm, in control, and even excited. Now make this image brighter, closer, more vivid. Make the feelings stronger and more powerful. And let them lock into your body. Now again, press your finger and your thumb together, middle finger to thumb. Take a nice big inhale. Let that confidence build. Keep holding it, breathe in again, exhale. You can think or say your word, and this confidence triples. And each time you press and take a breath in and exhale to your word or phrase, your subconscious fuses this anchor with this powerful image. And now imagine finishing your talk. The audience applauds, you smile, knowing you've connected, shared, and inspired them. Take another deep breath in and let this become your new normal. That old fear simply dissolves, replaced by a program of strength, clarity, and presence. And when you're ready, only when you're ready, allow your eyes to open back up, carrying this calm confidence with you into every future speaking opportunity. That's right. So today you've learned how NLP and hypnosis can transform your relationship with public speaking. By changing the inner movie, you dissolve fear. By creating anchors, you can summon up confidence and calm, or really anything you like, on demand. And by using hypnosis, you install these patterns deep into your subconscious so that they become automatic. Remember, your audience is not your enemy. Your subconscious is not your enemy. Your mind is simply running an old program. And now you know how to run a new one. So the next time you stand up in front of an audience, remember your words have your power. And your presence has impact, and your mind is your ally. Step up, fire your anchor, and own the stage, because you were born to speak. That's right. Now, if you'd like a free recording and the other gifts that we spoke about earlier, simply either message or write mindful in the comments. You can message me directly if you don't want to type it in the comments or if that's not available. And then follow the link that I'll then put in for you. If you'd like to work one-on-one to rewire your mind even deeper, I'd love to hear from you. You can email me at unwindthemindllc@gmail.com, or you can go to the website to find out more, unwindthemind.com. Until then, trust the process, train your mind, and keep breathing and anchoring into your power. Remember to do this in advance, not the day before, too. So thanks for watching. I hope this has been useful to you, and I hope you have a great Mindful Monday.